The protocol, blockchain tech predictions for 2024, or best guesses. Why not try? At least, check out the protocol's first annual list of blockchain tech predictions for the coming year. Also, Ledger hacks Defy Discord while Ordinals NFTs on Bitcoin activity produces Bitcoin fee spike and a lucrative surprise at Sotheby's. This year's crypto market doldrums brought little respite from the announcements, product rollouts, integrations, partnerships, collaborations, fundraisings, launches, deployments, migrations, transitions. There's a lot of information, all quite technical and complex. As hard as it can be to catch up, keeping up is equally daunting. Imagine piloting a spaceship through a dense asteroid field while playing a game of concentration with the individual asteroids. Pattern recognition might be your only hope. A few key 2023 trends were broadly foreseen by the experts. Many weren't. Truth be told, nobody really knows where all of this is going. But why not try? At least, check out the protocol's first annual list of blockchain tech predictions for the coming year. Also, Ledger Lamentations and Bitcoin's Ordinals ordeal. This article is featured in the latest issue of the Protocol, our weekly newsletter exploring the tech behind crypto, one block at a time. Sign up here to get it in your inbox every Wednesday. Also, please check out our weekly The Protocol podcast. Network news. The Protocol's first annual list of blockchain tech predictions. Out of all the roadmaps, tea leaves, and best guesses inundating our inbox over the past couple weeks, we curated 10 prognostications from blockchain tech gurus for the coming year. Yes, it's brain-hurting stuff, and maybe some of it will happen. We've got decent sources at least. Ripple Labs' David Schwartz sees interoperability as a dominant theme. Abdulhamid Bakhta, lead and core Ethereum developer, Starknet ecosystem, likes modularity. Go here for the full list. Ledger hack Ledger, exploit it. Ledger, the hardware wallet maker, appends Defy by Oliver Knight. Link what we know about the Ledger hack by Daniel Kuhn. Link Galaxy Research's Lucas T. Chayan. The fact that an exploiter was able to hack Ledger through a former employee demonstrates a lack of proper credentials management and could lead to more scrutiny into the rest of their security practices. Bankless newsletter. According to Ledger, no user's private keys were at risk, but this event serves as a reminder for the need to prioritize security around one's crypto holdings. As a basic rule, it is seen as wise to utilize one wallet for strictly holding assets and another for interacting with decentralized applications. P.S. On Wednesday, the official Ledger account on X posted that we are aware of approximately $600,000 in assets impacted, stolen from users blind signing on EVMD apps. The company added, Ledger will make sure victims affected will be made whole and are committing to work with the D-app ecosystem to allow clear signing and no longer allow blind signing with Ledger devices by June 2024. Also, one struggling Solana Saga phone started flying off the shelves at a retail price of $589 after crypto traders realized they could qualify for Bonk token airdrops worth nearly $700. Sellers of the phones on the online marketplace eBay quickly jacked up prices for the phones, with some of them going for upwards of $2,000 apiece. Other Solana-based projects soon piggybacked on the sensation. The core developer group behind Ethereum POW, the proof-of-work blockchain created in September 2022 via a fork when Ethereum switched to a proof-of-stake network, agreed to dissolve, according to a blog post by one member of the team. The blockchain had been plagued by operational and security issues from the very start. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin, who argued 3 years ago for pushing more of the blockchain's computational load onto affiliated networks known as Layer 2 networks, or rollups, outlined a plan to take some of the functions back onto the main chain. Polygon stops work on Edge, used to build Dogechain, as focus turns to ZK. Bitcoin ETF ad war officially underway with Bitwise campaign. Shiba Inu developers could soon offer SHIP holders a SHIP internet domain. Helium Mobile cracks down on mobile token farmers. Protocol Village, highlighting blockchain, tech upgrades and developments. 1. Avail, a rival to Celestia in the race to offer data solutions in the Ethereum blockchain ecosystem, reached agreement with top developer Starkware to play a key role in new networks starting next year. Under the agreement disclosed Wednesday, Avail will provide its data availability solution to new application chains built using Starkware's Madara, a so-called decentralized sequencer. Starkware is the main developer behind Starknet, a leading Layer 2 blockchain in the Ethereum ecosystem. 2. Lyra Vitwo has built its own custom chain on the Optimism stack. According to the team, Lyra now offers ultra-fast trading and execution and continues to be fully custodial and keeping all funds and financial logic on-chain. Lyra alone accounted for 60% of the decentralized options volume, trading over $1.5 billion in notional volume. Lyra Vitwo has upgraded to a professional-grade UX and is beginning to target centralized exchange users with its new protocol. Key features: portfolio margin, cross-asset collateral, gasless transactions. 3. Stellar, the Layer 1 blockchain, announced that its planned upgrade to introduce smart contract functionality will occur in a phased rollout over the first half of 2024, with the network's validator vote on the upgrade taking place on January 30, according to the team. To ensure the launch provides a high-quality experience for builders, Stellar will evaluate trial contract deployment and communicate to developers when the smart contract platform known as Sorobin reaches a user-ready level of transactions per second. Facilitation 4. Quantum will launch its Layer 2 network, Lumio, to solve Ethereum scalability challenges and usher in a Web2-like experience on Web3 for millions of users, according to the team. Quantum's L2 can effectively increase transaction bandwidth, uniting the advantages of high TPS chains like Aptos with the security and liquidity of Ethereum with the purpose of scaling Ethereum horizontally, to meet the needs of millions and eventually billions of users concurrently. According to a press release seen by CoinDesk, Lumio is based on Optimism's OP Stack framework and features a Move and EVM-compatible runtime that allows developers to leverage the benefits of the Move language on Ethereum while still supporting the Solidity ecosystem. 5. Intersect, a member-based organization for the Cardano ecosystem, has announced the planned migration of the core Cardano codebase to its stewardship, according to the team. See the entire protocol village list from this past week here. Money Center, Fundraisings Tap Protocol, an OrdFi enabling protocol for Bitcoin Ordinals created by Track, announced the successful closure of a $4.2 million investment round led by Sora Ventures, according to the team. Protocol Village exclusive, Metagood, the blockchain technology and digital assets company that launched the innovative on-chain Monkey NFTs and Azure Marketplace, announced today the completion of a $5 million Series seed funding round. The round was led by Sora Ventures with participation from Acti Ventures, Bitcoin Frontier Fund, Bitcoin Magazine Fund, London Real Ventures, and Peach Size. Deals and grants. The Metis DAO Foundation, the organization behind Layer 2 rollup Metis, said Monday that it has created a roughly $100 million fund to accelerate the growth of its ecosystem. Metaverse firm Improbable sold gaming unit MPG to Keyword Studios for nearly $100 million. Crypto accounting and tax reporting platform Trez raises $11 million to add new blockchains. Kiridu's Ankix Crypto exchange shutters. CEO Michael Morrow leaves data and tokens. Bitcoin's bull run has plenty of steam left. These indicators suggest Stacks SDX soars 27% on positive comments from Tim Draper. Trader turns $450 into $2 million betting on Avalanche meme coin cock and U injectives. INJ year-to-date gain rises to 3.0% after latest jump. Crypto firm SafeMoon files for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. SFM plunges. 42% total value of Cardano DeFi ecosystem nears $450 million amid Layer 1 push. Ader rockets 17% regulatory and policy. China vows to clarify Web3 NFT development path. Crypto exchange CoinList settles OFAC Russian sanctions allegations for $1.2 million. Financial regulators reiterate call for legislation to address crypto risk. Second win for Bitcoin Ordinals brings soaring fees. Mainstream attention unwanted by some. Over the past few weeks in the protocol, we've documented how Ordinals inscriptions, colloquially known as NFTs on Bitcoin, are adored by fans, appreciated by fee-hungry miners, and hated by some blockchain purists. A big hit earlier in the year, they've now fully caught a second wind, as Reflexivity Research put it, helping to drive up Bitcoin transaction fees to an all-time high. They've also gone mainstream. Last week, a trio of Ordinals inscriptions from the Bitcoin Shrooms collection, 2 Super Mario-style mushroom characters and a pixelated avocado, sold at the famed Sotheby's auction house for about $450,000, or 5 times the highest estimates. Needless to say, there are plans for more sales soon. The inscriptions fad has even spread to other blockchains, with similar technology clogging up networks including Arbitrum, Avalanche Chronos, ZK Sync, the Open Network, and Celestia, according to the analysis firm Fundstrat. Greg Cipollaro, head of research at NYDIG, noted in a report just how backed up Bitcoin's mempool, the backlog of transactions waiting to get processed, has become. The transaction queue stretches across an astonishing 372 blocks, equating to nearly 2.6 days based on an assumption of 144 blocks per day, Cipollaro wrote. The takeaway: users will have to pay up to get those transactions cleared faster. Fees are now playing a much more substantial role in miner revenue, according to Cipollaro. The extra revenue could help to offset the expected impact of next year's halving, when block rewards are set to automatically adjust lower by 50%, but the scenario could also force a deep rethink or revolt on the part of users or businesses who may have predicated plans on the expectation of cheap transactions. Bitcoin's transaction backlog, known as the mempool, has swelled, partly due to the impact of congestion from Ordinals inscriptions. Mempool, Space Calendar. January 1, Happy New Year from the protocol. January 10th, Wealth, Crypto. Finance Conference, St. Moritz. January 30, Stellar Upgrade for Sorobin Smart Contracts, Public Network Readiness Date. February 22-24, Bitcoin++, Buenos Aires. February 23, March 3, F Denver. April 2024 Estimate, Next Bitcoin Halving. April 8-12, Paris Blockchain Week. April 18-19, Tokent 1049, Dubai. May 29-31, 2024, Consensus, Austin, Texas. July 25-27, Bitcoin 2024, Nashville.